gas in the float balls, so hopefully it won't want for gas on startup. We shall see. Full choke, lights off, killed run, got warning lights. Mostly as it was previously. Haven't run it since November. The only real change here is these are brand new mufflers, so they may spit something out. Hard to say. Float balls are dry, so it's probably going to take a minute for the gas to trickle out of the test tank, but we shall see. I didn't touch any of the throttle adjustments, so theoretically it'll run about the same as it did previously. One hopes. It is about 40 degrees today, so we are going to go with full choke. Says the Euro light switch, so no lights for starting. I already pressurized the oil system, just for whatever that's worth. I think we are good to go. Cold start, demo, full choke, about 58 degrees. Good to go. Cold start.